Viva na hololive. I probably don't need that because I have
A Kiara kit.
Yes, a Kiara kit.
Kiara kit.
Chug down that Kiara.
Oh, did you actually saw that Mumei Ch video from Kanauru?
Kanauru Mumei. Yeah.
I saw you chugging down Sora Senpai.
Yeah, I saw that too. The girl at Mumei Ch and me in the back drinking soda senpai. Yeah. That was cute.
That was very distracting.
Yeah, I only noticed it. I only noticed it when Kanauru-san like uploaded I think another clip of that of just like zoomed in on me drinking the soda. I'm just like, oh, what a nice cameo.
Do you normally chug on Hololive talents, IRyS?
Huh? Yeah.
Good.
They're delicious. And you know, it's always with consent, of course.
With consent?
It's always with consent, yes. So it's all good.
Mumei, have you ever been chugged by IRyS?
No, she hasn't, right?
Sorry, I was getting shot at. Could you repeat the question?
Have you been chugged before by IRyS?
Oh, they're upstairs.
Chugged? Oh, I wish.
You
Don't
really
tell her that,
wish? Don't tell her that? Okay, I'll keep that a secret.
well, let me charge rifle real quick.
What?
Actually.
Huh?
What am I thinking?
Charge
of?
rifle? Oh, okay. I saw a clip of that, of her talking about her charge rifle, her personal charge rifle. Have you seen it, Mumei?
Hey, I peed like a charge rifle. It went bzz, bzz, boom, bzz, boom. Thank you. I'm imagining it now.
It sounds very familiar.
Yeah, I think it's pretty well known.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Okay, I don't want to say what I think it is in case it's not what I think it is, but I think I know what you're talking about.
I think there's only you know, I'm gonna ask Ollie about this when she comes back. If that's like the only instance she ever mentions charge rifle.
Where did Ollie go?
She's charge rifling.
We haven't started, right?
Yep, we
came
just
back
started loading.
just
Yes.
in time.
Hey Ollie, do you
Awesome.
ever only mention charge rifle when you need to?
Oh, you mean when you wanna piss?
Oh my. Wait, did I do this? Oh, wait.
Gotta add the reverb, huh?
Yeah.
He used to call it
Watson's concocts.